So today I'm at my buddy's house, and we're gonna try to turn a problem into a solution. He's got this big old tree in his backyard that fell over. We're gonna start off by cutting away some of the smaller bits, and then hopefully with some of the bigger chunks, we'll be able to turn it into something useful. So we've gone ahead and got away all the smaller debris. Now we're gonna start chopping up some of the bigger stuff and hopefully minimize some of the damage to the fence. Now that I have everything cut into workable pieces, I'm going to lay out sections and measure it out to turn it into a bench. So stay tuned.